The other thing we wanted to talk about, partially because some of the performance we've seen this year on the Dominant Xtreme 7, we're actually adding 1150 into that blend. So it's actually got 1119, 1150, and 777 in it now. And it's designed for greens, tees, and fairways. We've added the SR 1150 for increased blend performance. Known performance from the 1119 with the new genetics, both of these added. This again is a versatile blend for all uses. And there's a reduced fungicides from this broad gene base that you're going to have from these. This is actually a fairway trial. Here's 1150. This was, again, in Chicago. They actually said these down here do not use, basically because they had very poor performance in the fairways. And here's 1150, here's 007 Dominant Xtreme 7. One of the things we want to emphasize is sometimes you get down here for some of these poor quality ones, and they're cheap on the market, but you're not going to get the performance out of them even for fairways. So guys who are repairing divots or they're repairing areas on fairways, they really need to keep thinking about using something better than the cheapest bentgrass that's on the market. And this is a reduced fungicide trial. This was in Farmingdale, New York. Here's 1150, here's 1119, and here's Declaration down here. So over time, these kinds of things, which are in the Dominant Xtreme 7 blend, give you some performance characteristics. And here is actually one of the reasons we put 1150 in this blend. This is some divot recovery data from Iowa State. Here's SR 1150, here's L93, but you see it's much quicker than pin cross is. And what you find if you convert this thing, this is the percent per day. And they actually did these, they took the divots, they took a cup cutter, okay? And they took it, and in a cup cutter, it took 1150, 57 days. It took pin cross 65 days to heal that hole. And alpha, which is at the bottom here, took 83 days. The average divot size is actually 2 inches by 4 inches, which is 8 square inches, much smaller than this. So probably in an average divot, you'd have about half that time to repair that hole.